If you're looking to create a training program using Monday.com, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into how to make the most of Monday.com for your training needs, showing you exactly how to set it up efficiently and effectively. Stick around until the end because I'll also introduce an even better alternative that might just be what you're looking for. First things first, Monday.com is an incredibly powerful platform. It can be used for much more than just project management. The key to making it work as a training tool is setting it up right. You can create boards for different courses, modules, or team activities, and the visual interface makes it easy to track progress and keep learners engaged. But here's the catch, it's not always as intuitive as it looks, especially if you're not familiar with setting up automations and custom views. Next thing, let's talk about building your first training program on Monday.com. You'll want to start by creating a new board for each module or specific training session. Using different boards for each phase helps you keep your content organized. Inside each board, you'll add tasks or items for each part of the training, like reading materials, video lessons, quizzes, or assignments. The flexibility of Monday.com lets you build this out however you want, whether that's with simple text or with files, links, and even integrations with other platforms like Google Drive. The third thing, make sure you use automations to save time. Monday.com offers automated workflows that can help you track who's completed what. For example, set an automation to notify a team member when a task is due or when a new piece of training content is available. This is crucial for scaling your training program without overwhelming yourself with manual follow-ups. Next, let's talk about visuals. One of the standout features of Monday.com is its highly customizable dashboards. Here, you can track the progress of all your trainees, whether through visual progress bars or color-coded statuses. This visual approach is perfect for teams or learners who are just getting started, as it's easy to see who's on track and who might need a little extra help. The fifth thing you should know, be prepared for a learning curve. Monday.com is great, but it's not necessarily the easiest software to get the hang of. While the interface looks user-friendly, diving into its full capabilities may feel a bit overwhelming at first. If you're looking for a more straightforward experience, you might find some of the competition easier to pick up quickly. So here's the thing, Monday.com works well for certain training programs, especially when you have a lot of content to track or a larger team to manage. But what if you're looking for something that's even more streamlined for training purposes? There are other options out there that cater specifically to training programs, without all the bells and whistles of a full-fledged project management platform. Now, the big reveal, if you're looking for a tool that's better suited for training programs, I highly recommend checking out Insert Competitor's Name. This platform is designed specifically for training, with intuitive course creation tools, assessments, and learner progress tracking. And it comes with a free trial too. To wrap it up, if you want to create a Monday.com training program, it's absolutely doable, but be prepared for a bit of a learning curve. But here's the real bonus. If you're ready to take your training program to the next level, Competitor's Name might be exactly what you need. And through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to help you get started, along with some additional perks that are only available for our viewers. Make sure you check that out. It could be a game changer for your training program.